In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple insomnia remedy smoothie that will increase your energy levels to help fire up your metabolism while giving you sustained energy and also help you to sleep better at night. I will explain the health benefits of having this smoothie as part of a regular diet at least 1 to 2 times per week, and how easy it is to prepare everything all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling smoothie consists of only 6 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. And these ingredients are 5 carrots, 8 celery stalks, 1 cucumber, 1 beetroot, quarter lemon, 2 slices of ginger root, and 1 glass of water. Once you have everything gathered, place all the contents in a blender and mix until you have a consistent texture. This super simple smoothie is packed with lots of vitamins that is perfect for sustained energy levels to keep you going throughout the day. It will also help to boost your immune system, while also helping your body to relax so that you can sleep better at night. This simple meal won't take long to prepare, and you will be surprised how good it actually tastes. That will help satisfy your appetite and give you the energy you need to go about your day. If you are looking also for an excellent weight loss plan to help get you on the right track to feeling better and having more energy, then be sure to hit the link in the description to find out more. If you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.